Hi everyone. I called Luis at Affordable Tree Care to perform some annual tree and hedge trimming. As much as we love this Canary Island pine, I'm having it removed to respect our neighbor's complaint about it. It'll also allow more sunlight in our adjacent vegetable garden. The crew from Affordable Tree Care wrapped up and they did a really nice job. This is my Himalayan champaka tree that they thinned out very nicely. They trimmed my jasmine and Carolina laurel. Here's another jasmine here. They're very well done. They thinned out my camphor tree. And they did a really nice job on my Canary Island pine. Take a look at that. Just gorgeous. I have a long hedge along the back wall, and they did a nice job on that. It goes the entire length of my backyard. Unfortunately, I had to remove a second Canary Island pine, but they did a really good job in doing so. They used a stump grinder and went at least 8 to 10 inches below the surface of the soil so I can plant things into that space right now. I really appreciated how they took care in trying to not damage any of the plants. And as far as I can tell, they did a pretty good job. I don't see any damage to any of the plants in my planter back here. One of the tricky jobs of doing this hedge is the backside on my neighbors. And you can see that they did a nice job of going right to the fence line as I asked them. And all the debris fell down into my neighbor's yard, but they took great pains to make sure that everything was cleaned up nice and tidy. In my front yard, they trimmed this crepe myrtle, cut out all the dead wood. This will help it to bloom really nicely later this summer and into the fall. They also thinned out my second Himalayan champaka tree. It was really thick and dense, and so now it's thinned out, much healthier for the tree. I'm really happy with the work of affordable tree care on my garden. The trees and hedges look fantastic. I want to thank Isaac, the foreman, who directed the crew of 12 guys that came in here like an army and took care of business. And I also want to thank Luis, the owner of Affordable Tree Care, for sending this crew and giving me a really great price. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.